Have you ever wondered why your knuckles make that cracking sound? Most people think it's bones rubbing together, but that's a complete myth. So what actually causes the pop? I'll explain. But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. Here's the truth. The sound doesn't come from your bones at all. Inside your joints, there's a slippery fluid called synovial fluid that keeps everything moving smoothly. When you stretch or pull your fingers, the pressure change creates tiny gas bubbles inside that fluid. And when those bubbles collapse, you hear that familiar pop. Drop a bone in the comments if you cracked your knuckles at least once watching this.